Alright, so we've got a Data East MPU that came in with some lamp issues, and what we had found was actually this transistor here was not working correctly, so that has been replaced. So we've got all columns and rows now working properly. Went ahead and replaced the power input filter capacitor, so the 470, and then also the 47 here in the reset, the power input header, and I've got Simpsons ROMs installed here on the board, so we can go ahead and test the board fully. So here we are with displays. Got the lamp matrix dancing here, and no coils that are locked on, so it's exactly what we want to see. And we're gonna go through, and I don't have the soundboard connected. Customer was saying that the soundboard is working correctly, but it sent it anyway, so I didn't bother setting it up or anything like that since it was working. Anyways, we've got switches, and we're going through diagonally testing both rows and columns there, and all 64 switches are reporting correctly. And moving into lamp test, and here's all the rows and all of the columns working correctly, as well as the single lamps here as well. And moving into actually flashers here, so those are all working correctly. And into solenoid test, so it's testing both A side and C side. Oh, there we are. We've got, I'll go back through, but this bench, I swear, is the biggest pain in my butt. And this is why I always tell, customers to repin their connectors there. Mine gets pulled from these boards constantly, so, but once you do it once, you should be good to go, because typically you're not going to need to pull the boards, or pull the connectors from the boards, especially like I do every time on mine. But yeah, it's good to have a solid connection there, and unfortunately I'm going to have to repin mine for like the 10th time. And there are the special solenoids working, and that's actually the end of the test there. So I will go ahead and get the Jurassic Park ROM installed here, which I put a label on, and we'll go ahead and get that booted up. Alright, and here we are with the Jurassic Park ROMs installed, and that's what the displays will look like. But what we can see is the ball search and T-Rex trying to move. Excuse me. And then we will see the lamp matrix dancing here in just a moment, after we cycle through all that. The DMD versions of these games always take a lot longer to boot, which is definitely nice using the Simpsons ROMs for that purpose. But there you are. We are 100% booted with the Jurassic Park, and so I will get this packaged up and sent back with the WPC boards. Thank you so much.